Alright, welcome back everyone. Let us learn Dinka vocabularies, random Dinka vocabularies. Okay, what can we write? One, let's say buy. Buy mean home. And then two, let's say jam. Jam mean what? Jam means let's say talking. Then three, let's say, what can we write? Diao or diao. Diao mean to cry. To cry. A baby is crying. Met abiao. Or die. Die mean what? Die mean okay, sing. And die in mean I'm seeing you, I'm looking at you. And all, let's say all mean what? All mean, and let's say coughing, cough. All mean cough. And the other word, let's say ngam, mean yawning. The other word, what can we write? Let's say each mean what? Team. Okay, team or team that not it's supposed to be like this. Team means sneezing guys. Team. And the other word we need to learn is what, guys? What can we write? Okay, let's say patch mean to wake up. And opposite is nin. Nin mean what? To sleep. Sleeping. And nin mean I'm sleeping. And then nyot, while you are sleeping in nyot mean what? Oh, dream guys. Nyot, dream. And chinyot wanako, I dream last night. And chinyot wanako shidachikor chop, I dreamt last night like the lion was chasing me. Okay, if the lion is chasing you, what can you do? You run. Okay, run mean what? Cat. Cat mean running. Run. Okay, let's say just run. Cat, running or run. While you are sleeping also, what can happen? In labor, what is it? What or what? What? It's called what? What? Okay, let's say what? At what? What mean what? Snoring. Okay, guys. Another things we need to learn is what, guys? Okay, let's say mouth. No. So mouth mean what? Let's say talk. I do the opposite, guys. Let's say mouth. And then okay, boy mean what? Bullying. To bull someone. They are bullying at me. Bullying. Then loom. Loom mean what? Gossipers. Gossipers are called loom. Then loom mean gossiper. Loom, gossiper. Then okay, what can we say? Let's write brain. Brain mean what? Brain mean what in Dinka? Brain mean nyit nya it nyit. Okay, brain mean nyit, guys. So brain mean nyit. Okay, let's write boot. Boot mean what? Boot mean okay, swallow, swollen. Sorry, swelling. Boot swelling. That mean boot. Okay, what can we write? Okay, let's say oh, what can I write? Mole. Let's say mole or mar. Let's say mar mean missing or lost. Inchmar randia, you are lost my dear. Okay, let's say randia. Ran mean person, and then randia mean what? Randia mean my dear. My dear. Okay. I'll add this word. Doro mean what? Doro mean 7. It's a number, guys. And then what can we add again? All right, let us say dog. Dog mean what? It's your homework, guys. Write it for me, and thank you very much. I'm William Tong Yang. Please subscribe and like the video. God, okay, let's say knowledge awake. God with you guys. Let us do a quick recap. Sorry, guys. It's just a random one. Okay, guys. So let us do a quick recap so that we end the video. Bye mean home. Jam, talking. Diao, to cry. Die, seeing. All, coughing. Ngam, yawning. Team, or you say team mean sneezing. Patch, to wake up. Nin, to sleep. Nyot, dream. Cat, run. Ngwat means snoring. Tok, mouth. Bui, bowling. Loom, gossipers. Loom, gossiper. Brain, nyit. Boot means swelling. Mar, missing or lost. Inchmar, you are lost. I miss you. Run, person. Run dear, my dear. Doro, means 7. Dog mean what? Write it for me. And thank you very much. By Ustaz William, Majak, Dupi Tongjang, Dornali Kawek, Kuyania. Bye bye for now. Wabanyok, next lesson. If you find it like this is very good, like the way I studied from the beginning, tell me so that I will be doing it like this. Okay? Please subscribe. Go to my YouTube channel. The name of my YouTube channel is called Dinka Malwal Academia. Please go there, subscribe, also like the video and comment. Let us interact there. Go to Facebook also and follow us there. Go to TikTok and follow us there. Thank you very much. Bye bye for now.